The sound of the piano echoes softly through the night. Whatever I choose will fall like rain. When misfortune strikes, my breath grows faint. The moonlight that follows is so cold it fills me with dread. If this life is as brilliant as fireworks, then I'll hold the light close and live well. If wind and snow swirl into a river, then I'll